Hi, I'm Steve Parafin with Real Estate One of Charlevoix. Welcome to 8370 Sisson Road in beautiful Bellaire, Michigan, where comfort meets convenience. This 3-bedroom, 3-bath ranch home offers 1,700 square feet of main floor living, in addition to the full, partially finished basement. Thank you for touring with us today. My name is Steve Parafin. If you have any additional questions, you can give me a call at 231-676-0234.